Want to know how to change your profile picture in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application, and we have also created a video on how to install and log into MoonPay, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you've done that, your default profile picture should be your first name's icon or your initial. So changing it is super simple. On the top left side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just simply select it once. And now once you've done that, here you should be seeing this edit icon right here. That should be right below your profile. Just simply select this pencil icon, and then you can just simply select any one of these, either gallery, file, or your camera. So you can just simply select any one of these, and then your new profile picture will be saved just like that. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.